don't understand Spanish, yes?
No, I don't.
Yeah, you know, I bring bed, but I bring anything from Christmas.
Hey.
Ah, hola.
Yes, this is Maria,
Sí.
Harold's wife.
Oh,
we're
wow. Oh, come on in the sunny with this.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, thank you for coming.
Thank you so much. For sure, we got a lot of stuff right here.
Look, what a lot of stuff. Oh.
Yes. They got me falling in love with sailing. So
Yeah, we're sailing now.
here's Harold, Ray and Harold.
Hey,
How you doing? All right, we're gonna pack stuff up.
About sailing. But no time because you know,
Busy.
yeah, busy. But it's you like this idea. We can together open.
Yes.
Open channel.
Yes.
Sailing adventure. We go to
Where are we sailing to?
We are going to sail to Newport Harbor,
Okay.
which is about 20 miles. We're going there to park for 3 nights to see the boat parade.
Nice.
We got a mooring on the inside. It'll be pretty fun.
All right.
This sail is going to take us about 3 hours. We're going to have to motor because we've got short of time here.
Right.
We'll both motor and sail. Right now we're doing 7.2 knots. I think once we turn downwind, we'll be a little faster.
Okay. Fun. So, I'm so thankful for Harold getting me into sailing. It's been amazing. So thank you, Harold, for sure.
You are welcome, Ray. I look forward to turning you into a really good sailor.
Yes. Yep. So we're having a couple brews right here, and just enjoying the ride to Newport Beach. Straight ahead, that is Newport Beach. Newport Beach Harbor. We just passed Seal Island back there. They're on their way?
No, I was telling we're on our way.
Huntington Beach. Maria's getting stuff decorated for Christmas. You're doing a great job, Maria.
Eh?
You're doing a great job.
I make a Christmas light.
Yes.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. We're in the spirit. Are you the Grinch for the summer? For this Christmas?
Not me, no.
No, never.
Who, me, Grinch? Fuck you.
Just jived right now. Right here at Newport Harbor. Oh yeah, I can feel it. Good wind.